It's a warm day in Melbourne today, which has inspired me to rotate the wardrobe, get some summer things into rotation and pack away some bulky winter stuff. I keep my out of season clothes in this big wicker basket, which is great because it's still kind of accessible if I really need to get something out. And in here at the top of the basket were clothes that I decided at the end of last summer that I should donate, because there's no point donating your clothes to an op shop at the end of that season. They probably won't store it and might just throw it away. And looking in there now, I'm like, some of those clothes I still like, but I'm going to be strong and donate them anyway. Yay, more hangers. Summer sandals. These are gross, I'm going to donate them. This could be alright for next winter. Ew. Oh my god, some sticky lollies in there. So I'm going to do the same thing. Winter items that I haven't worn this winter, I'm going to put in a bag with a donate sticker, with an aim to get rid of them at the start of next winter. I don't like leaving empty coat hangers in situ. I like to put them all at one end. What about you? This I never wear and it's trans-seasonal, so I'm going to donate that soon. This jumper I love, but it is so itchy. My boots I'm going to put in a separate bag so they don't contaminate the clothes. My painting clothes live in that basket as well because I hardly ever use them. All the hangers at one end. I'm going to get rid of this because it's really noisy. This I don't even understand. It's going. The problem is in Melbourne you can't get rid of all your winter stuff because the weather's crazy here. Now let's look at the pants, which are over here. Probably need to get rid of one more pair, but not now. Okay, we're all done. And what we're left with is a coat with a sticky pocket that I've got to wash somehow, and a bag to donate now and a bag to donate at the end of summer, which I will put into the trunk. Because like I said, there's no point donating it now. It's great how much that basket fits.